Welcome to this tutorial on Monday.com Create Board, a powerful tool for team collaboration and project management. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of creating a board on Monday.com, a popular work operating system. First, let's start with the basics. A board on Monday.com is a visual representation of your work, where you can track and manage tasks, projects, and workflows. It's a customizable workspace where you can add columns, rows, and items to organize your work in a way that makes sense to you and your team. To create a board on Monday.com, log into your account and click on the Boards tab. Then, click on the Create Board button. You will be prompted to choose a template or start from scratch. Monday.com offers a variety of templates for different use cases, such as project management, marketing, and sales. Choose a template that best fits your needs, or select the blank board option to start from scratch. Once you've chosen your template, you can customize your board by adding columns, rows, and items. Columns represent different stages or categories of work, while rows represent individual tasks or items. To add a column, click on the Add Column button and choose the type of column you want to add, such as a text column, a date column, or a status column. You can also add rows by clicking on the Add Row button and filling in the relevant information. One of the key concepts on Monday.com is the concept of items. Items represent individual tasks or work units, and can be moved across columns as they progress through different stages of work. You can add items to your board by clicking on the Add Item button, and then filling in the relevant information, such as the item name, description, and due date. Another important concept on Monday.com is the concept of workflows. Workflows represent a series of automated actions that can be triggered by specific events or conditions on your board. For example, you can set up a workflow to send a notification to a team member when an item is moved to a certain column. To get the most out of Monday.com, it's essential to set up your board in a way that works for you and your team. This means customizing your columns, rows, and items to fit your specific use case, and setting up workflows to automate repetitive tasks. In terms of best practices, it's a good idea to keep your board organized and clutter-free. By archiving or deleting items that are no longer relevant, you should also make sure to set clear goals and objectives for your board, and establish clear workflows and communication channels with your team. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a powerful and effective board on Monday.com that helps you and your team work more efficiently and effectively. Whether you're managing a project, tracking sales, or coordinating a marketing campaign, Monday.com provides a flexible and customizable platform for team collaboration and project management.